Hello everyone. Today we want to show you guys the application we made for CS411 project. This application is an app that helps users to have a closer look into the survival results for some startup projects. So Kickstarter is a famous website for projects to get their funding, and we were able to obtain a dataset containing some basic information of the projects on Kickstarter and also their funding result and whether the project survived in the end. In the homepage here, some observations are listed. Since we have thousands of records and it may be too redundant to display them all here, so we are showing only 10 observations from the dataset for the users to have an overview. As we can see here, for each observations, we have some attributes, including like the name of the project, the category they belongs to, and also the amount of money they want to reach, and also the amount of money they actually made in the end, and also lastly the survival condition of them, whether they become successful or they failed. The users will be able to do several things regarding the dataset. First, they will be able to add or delete any projects if they want. For example, if I want to add any project, I just go to the add project function and then input all those attributes here. Let me show you an example. If I input the name as ABC and then the category as poetry and also enter all the attributes listed here. After clicking submit, we should be able to find this new project we just added. So we will do that in the search by category function. So in the poetry category, we were able to see the ABC project we just added. And also, if the user want to delete any project, for example, let's show they want to delete this ABC project I just added, they just copy this PID and go to the delete project, and after put in this project and click submit, and we go back to the search by category, we can see in the poetry category, we no longer have that ABC project here. So besides those two basic functionalities, the user can also look into specific kinds of project that they are interested in by the search by category function, as we just saw. So in this function, by default, it's showing the poetry category, but you can also look at other category. For example, if you click on the music category and refresh the page, let's see. Okay, so now you have all the projects in the music category, and you can take a look at whether they survive in the end and the amount of money they raised in the end if you are interested. And another thing that is useful in this application is that it allows the prediction on the survival result after you input some attributes of the project. For example, here, if we input the number of investors they have and the goal, the amount of money they want to raise and the amount of money they actually raised, after you click submit, it should be able to give you a result whether this project can be survived in the end. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, as you can see, it says that your project was a success. If you input different attributes here, it may predict that your project is a failure. And besides this prediction function, lastly, we have the data visualization. As you can see here, if I click on the data visualization, we can see a graph showing the number of projects succeed, failed, or cancelled by each categories. This can give the users an idea which kind of project is easier to raise money and succeed, helping them to decide which direction to go to. And if I put my mouse onto the point, I can see that for music category, there are in total around 600 of project that is cancelled, and 5,000 is failed, and also around 5,000 is successful. So this can give the user an idea like which category is the most popular projects. So this is an overview of the Kickstarter application. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.